Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make whipped cream from AMUL fresh cream. Very easy procedure, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 1 pack of AMUL fresh cream. This is a 250 ml pack. Along with this you will need 2 ever silver vessels, one with ice cubes and another one kept in the freezer for 1 hour. Place the second vessel on the first one. This is just to make sure the whipped cream is maintained chilled during the process. Freeze the AMUL fresh cream for 1 hour and then transfer it to the second vessel. Transfer only the thick cream. We are not going to use the liquid cream for this. Freeze the whisk for 1 hour before using. Now start whisking using a hand blender. Keep the speed in low in the beginning. Now the fresh cream has nicely combined, so increase the speed to medium. Now the cream has started to thicken up, so at this stage add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Blend again in medium speed until you get nice and stiff peaks. Now we have nice and stiff peaks, so our whipped cream is now ready. You can use this whipped cream to make cake toppings, pies, desserts, muffins and for any beverages. Very easy method, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.